guys, so working a little bit backwards on this vlog because I just finished setting up this really pretty boho or boohoo, how do you say it, boho themed backdrop for a baby shower. I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the Boxwood Hedge that I used for that event, but it got darker earlier than I anticipated, and I forgot because of fall that, you know, all that jazz was going on. So I didn't get to unbox it last night because it got too dark, the lighting sucked. So I said I'll just show you guys today. I do have a second box. What you guys are going to see in this vlog is just one box of Boxwood Hedge, and then to get the huge one that I normally do, you'll need two boxes, and this is the second box that I'm about to show you guys here. And I will have it linked in the description box for you guys if you're interested in purchasing. Bagging up for you guys. So the Boxwood Hedge comes in these huge panels that I believe are 18 by 18, and I will have it linked in the description box if you want all the specifics. And as you can see, it is gorgeous. This is darker than the one that I normally use, but this is what I use for today's setup. And again, I used one case for today's setup. And so it just comes in panels that you just line up how you want them to look. And you link them together using the back of the grid. It has these here, holes lined up along the way. And then the other side of the grid, so the other side is gonna have these notches here that you can see sticking out. And you're gonna be putting those into the holes of the grid that's next to it. And you pretty much just shape it how you want. This particular case comes with 3, 6, 9, I think 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It actually comes with 12. And it was tall enough for me to do a pretty nice size with the balloons around it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I do get a lot of comments down in the description box as far as how many come in each case and how to put it together and all that stuff. I have done a couple vlogs on also how I hang it. A lot of times when you see some companies do their Boxwood Hedge backdrops, they have them on the some type of wood board to stand up, but I attach mine and hang it using the pipe and drape pole. And I do have a vlog on that, as well as a few vlogs where I'm actually doing it for you guys. A good one to see how to hang it on the backdrop pole is going to be Dakota's second birthday. One of her vlogs that I did was for backdrop and balloon garlands. I go step by step on how to hang it using the pipe and drape pole, because I don't think I got to vlog that part today. There was a lot going on. It was in somebody else's house, so it's always awkward. I'll get into that later in the vlog, but just wanted to share that with you guys. And yes, I will have this Boxwood Hedge and the balloons I used linked in the description box below for you guys, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. So today I have a backdrop and balloon set up for a baby shower. It's at a home, so I as you can see, I meant to show you guys everything I had before I left, but I was running a little late today, so I didn't get a chance to. But I do have 3 bags of balloons behind me here that I blew up beforehand, so that I don't, as like I said before, I do that so that I don't have to spend as much time on location as I would at home. So I try to blow up as many balloons as I can fit in my car whenever I'm not taking a U-Haul. And then I do have my smaller piece of Boxwood Hedge, and I'll also be using my collapsible stand today to do this backdrop setup, because the ceilings aren't tall enough for my pipe and drape set. So I do use a smaller one with the smaller piece whenever I have to use it. I haven't used it in a long time. I kind of don't like to use it anymore, but for this event today I will be doing that. So you guys just stay tuned. I'll see what I can get filmed for you guys. I probably won't be able to do a lot of talking because I'm in someone's house, and it's very awkward talking to yourself in front of people. I mean, I know I'm talking to you guys, but sometimes I don't know if they understand, you know, what we got going on. So I'll go back and probably do a voiceover and explain everything that I'm doing once I get everything inside. And yeah, so I will see you guys inside. Alright guys, so I have made it inside, and I started off by getting my Boxwood Hedge hung up on the stand. As you can see, I am using the collapsible stand. I don't typically like to use this for Boxwood Hedge because of the weight of the Boxwood Hedge and the stand not being as sturdy as my pipe and drape stand, but I had to make it work for today as I explained earlier. I also pre-hung my signage because I was working alone, and when I do it with the Boxwood Hedge upright, I need someone to hold it for me. I also had to blow up some 12-inch balloons that would not fit in my vehicle because I didn't bring a U-Haul. And so after I got the balloons blown up, I did start to use the balloons that I previously blew up, and I used my fishing line to string them using my figure 8 method. If you need a close-up of that, please check out one of my previous tutorials. A really good one is one that I did about 5 vlogs ago. It's the basic balloon, how to turn a basic balloon garland into a designer balloon garland, and I really went into depth on that video. So check that one out to see how you can string your balloons. Today I'm just focusing on showing you how to style your smaller piece of Boxwood Hedge. So once I finished with my balloon garland, I tied a knot to stop it, and then I basically took another cluster after I measured to see where I needed to stop at, and I started to attach another row onto that balloon garland because I wanted to make it a little bit thicker than what it was for that top portion of the balloon garland. And I did explain as well how to do this in that same video that I'm referencing for the basic to designer balloon garland, and again I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys to assist you. And so once I got the balloon garland as thick as I wanted it to be, I used my balloon string as usual to get it hung up to the Boxwood Hedge. I tied it in both corners to secure it to the top. And so after I got the top piece hung, I strung the remainder of the balloon garland down the side like I did in the lemon theme back video that I did a while ago. That way I knew where to stop at. And then for the other side, I strung the balloon garland and then attached it to the top piece. And what I'm about to do now is add in my greenery and flowers to complete this boho theme backdrop. Hey guys, and so one last thing, I did a giveaway on my channel maybe 5 or 6 vlogs ago. It was a secret giveaway, and I didn't announce it on Instagram or anything. It was just a random giveaway on a random vlog that I decided to do one on, and I wanted to give it to someone who actually was watching my vlogs. The winner of that giveaway I chose a while ago, but I kept forgetting to add it in a vlog, so today I remembered. And so the winner is Corinne and her Instagram name is Beauty Box Style. So girl, you won you a balloon garland kit. So I will DM you, or if you DM me, I followed you, so the message should come through. Instagram's really weird with messaging, and my DMs are in shambles, guys. So if you have messaged me and I have not gotten back to you, I apologize, but they are in. Hey Coda baby, what you doing? Hi. Dada left, he coming right back. And so, yeah, so the winner is Corinne, and her Instagram name is Beauty Box Style. We can figure out which kit you want, and I will get your information and get it mailed out to you, girl. Hi. And since we are in limbo, and I'm not sure when. Hi. Done? Hi. And since we don't know, come on, Poo, let mommy talk. Come sit by mommy. And since they hear you, boo boo. All right, and since I am unsure of when, who, what, when, where, why, how, when we're gonna move to Seattle, I am gonna just be doing. Hold up, baby. Hi, guys. Hi.